How to translate text from photo. Technology changes life. After Apple iOS 15 was released, the iPhone can use the camera to scan text. When you scan text with your iPhone, a yellow box will appear to frame it. Tap the Live Text button. Extract the text. You can choose to copy and translate. Tap Translate. The corresponding language translation result will pop up. You can choose to copy the translation or change the translation language. This is how to scan text using the iPhone. After understanding how to use iPhone to translate text on photos, we will introduce you to how to use a computer to translate text on photos. Install and launch PDNob Image Translator. Right-click the PDNob Image Translator. You will see Screenshot and Recognize with shortcuts next to it. Press the shortcut key to bring up the screenshot. Screenshot the text in the photo. Well, the text on the photo has been extracted. Click the Translate button. Get translations in your language. There are translations available in over 100 languages. This is how to translate the text in the photos. Click on the link in the description to get the PDNob Image Translator for free. If you think this video is still good, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will share more tips and solutions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.